Please welcome AFUWI scholarship recipient, Kayla Newman.
I made it through more than they know.
Good evening, distinguished guests, donors of the American Foundation for the University of the West Indies, fellow awardees, and specially invited guests. It is truly an honor to stand before you this evening as a proud scholarship recipient. I am grateful not only for the financial support that I have been given, but for the belief you have placed in my journey and in my future. I am a 22-year-old final year nursing student at the University of the West Indies, Mona. I am from Christiana, Manchester, Jamaica, where I was born and raised. As a child, my parents worked hard to provide a loving and stable life for my sister and I. However, at the age of 5, my life changed in a way I was too young to understand then. My father passed away in a motor vehicle accident, leaving my mother to raise 2 young girls on her own. As she tried to rebuild her life, she took every opportunity she could to ensure that my sister and I were cared for. Growing up, I was curious and ambitious. I loved science, and I once dreamed of becoming a scientist who would cure cancer one day. Looking back, I smile at how confident I was, for I believed I would figure everything out. That curiosity, however, stayed with me throughout my academic journey. I remained dedicated to my studies and performed well. For a time, I was certain that I wanted to become a doctor. But at one of the most important turning points in my life, I began to reflect on my aspirations and circumstances. Recognizing the financial demands of that path, I made the difficult but purposeful decision to pursue nursing. I often say nursing found me just as much as I found it. Starting university was a dream, but continuing it was a challenge. It's not only about academic excellence. Financial responsibilities were constant and quickly added up. Each semester came with uncertainty, and there were moments that tested me deeply. I remember one day in particular when I went to sit an exam fully prepared. I was told that I could not proceed because of a financial load on my account. I had to walk away. I got emotional that evening, not because I doubted my ability, but because I was confronted with the reality of how much finances can impact an opportunity. Despite those challenges, I was never alone. I'm grateful for my mother, Uncle Trevor and Auntie Claudia, who always helped me, as well as my other family members who contributed in whatever way they could. My journey has truly been a collective effort carried by love, sacrifice, and unwavering support. That is why receiving this scholarship meant so much to me. I applied in hope of some relief, the chance to focus on my studies without constant financial worry. Receiving the news that I had been selected brought stability and reassurance. Thank you, SUNY Downstate Health Sciences University, for believing in me. Because of your generosity, I was able to approach my final year with greater focus and determination. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to JetBlue for making my first flight a memorable one. It is greatly appreciated. To the donors and members of AFUWI, thank you for supporting students like me, making it possible for us to continue our journeys. If there's one thing that my story taught me, it is this. Sometimes the path we carefully plan is not the one we ultimately walk. If my younger self, who once dreamed of curing cancer, could see me now, I believe she would still be proud. Maybe I am not curing everything just yet, but I am learning how to care and how to make a difference, one patient at a time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kayla Newman.
Right, so congratulations on the award.
Thank
How do
you.
you feel about receiving this award, this scholarship?
I feel very grateful for the opportunity to have been given this scholarship.
What difference has it made in your life, the scholarship?
It has enabled me to continue to finish my degree at the University of the West Indies. So yes, I'm very grateful for it.
Okay, and is it your first time to America?
Yes, it is my first time traveling to the US.
What has the experience been like so
It's been good so far. I've been walking and having fun. Love the scenery of New York. So
Right, so as a recipient of the scholarship, you had to give a speech tonight. Tell us how that was for you.
well, I was very nervous, but it was good. I just went with the flow, took my time. So it was good.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Make us proud, alright?
I will.